Okay, greetings and welcome everybody. So next topic we're going to look at is on the basics of developing energy awareness. Now when you're vital breathing from building the ball, you get this vital energy magnetic sensation between the hands when you focus the will on the breath, on the stretch into the ball between your hands. It's a natural let's get out of the wind a bit so the video doesn't clip. It's a natural reaction from doing that. You're condensing the will and the breath in the space between your hands. The spirit senses activate. You start feeling a magnetic quality there. Now when you pay more attention to the magnetic quality, you get an autopilot type of effect of how do you relax the muscles, hang the muscles, get the joints open to generate more energy. It's automatic. You relax the energy out, relax the breath out to amplify magnetism. It's a type of an intuitive, internally guided process. To step through that door, all you really need is to feel vital energy from building the ball, then pay more attention of your mind to the sensation, repeat the process of relax, hang the muscles, open the joints, build more of the sensation, accumulate more of your will, and you are essentially just developing more power. Once you're at that point where you've got the sensation up to a level in which you can just begin pour breathing the sensation in and out of your body, or you can touch a tree and breathe into the tree and feel the vital energy of the tree, of people, and the environment, then you're in a place of understanding. Qigong, this is working with Qi, working with energy. So you've got the awareness to do so. If you didn't have an awareness of what Qi is, the Kung means work and Qi is the energy, you can't be working with it. So you're not doing Qi Kung if you're not working with Qi. It's all in the meaning of the word. So get the feeling, tune it, amplify it, connect to nature. Nature has an abundance of energy. If you're in a place where you are the smaller tuning fork and the power of nature is the larger tuning fork around you, then it's going to pull your mind into that larger energetic volume if you're in tune with it. So if you've already done the building the ball sitting and standing and you can feel energy comfortably, then you're in a place of power in which when you go into a place much more powerful than you tune into the feeling of the energy, your mind gets pulled into the power around you. So this basic training principle for Qigong is what gets you through the door. It starts connecting you to the living mind of nature, living mind of the universe, and how it seeks to expand itself through living things. And this is what Qigong is for, to expand your consciousness in this way. All right, so I hope this helps with people who are just entering into building the ball and starting to feel energy and work with energy. Once you're at that point where you've done like the tree Qigong each morning for a month and life force becomes a part of your normal consciousness, then we look at how do we strengthen the conductive pathways, and that's where all the fascia development, the biotensecurity training comes in, where you build the springs inside the body to be able to conduct more energy, which amplifies feeling, and then you move from there. All right, thanks for your time everyone. Have a great day.